Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all you are doing well. So, welcome back. And today we are going to do subject-verb agreement. That is very important topic of verbs. Do you know what is subject-verb agreement? First of all, this is very important to understand कि ये होता क्या है. So, subject, subject किसको कहते हैं? Subject होता है जो सेंटेंस में डूअर है, जो काम कर रहा है. लाइक इफ वी से द बॉय इज वॉकिंग ऑन द रोड, सो हु इज वॉकिंग? द बॉय. सो जो काम कर रहा है दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट. एंड वर्ब क्या होता है? जो काम हो रहा है. वॉट द बॉय इज डूइंग? ही इज वॉकिंग. वॉकिंग इज द वर्ब. सो सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब दोनों का एग्रीमेंट. दैट मीन्स अगर सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर है तो वर्ब भी सिंगुलर होगी. अगर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो वर्ब भी प्लूरल होगा. हाउ? आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन दैट इन डिटेल कि कैसे सिंगुलर प्लूरल होगा. सो सब्जेक्ट यू नो नाउ दैट डज द एक्शन एंड वर्ब दैट एक्शन वर्ड्स दैट टेल्स व्हाट द सब्जेक्ट डज. ओके, अभी हमने पिछली वीडियो में वर्ब्स के बारे में किया था बहुत डिटेल में, दैट व्हाट आर वर्ब्स. सो नाउ आई होप वर्ब्स आर वेरी मच क्लियर टू यू ऑल. सो अभी हम करेंगे कि सब्जेक्ट कौन से होते हैं. जैसे कि जो भी सारे नाउन्स होते हैं, जैसे कि बॉय, गर्ल, कोई भी नाउन दैट यू हैव डन सो मेनी, एनी पर्सन, एनिमल्स नेम इज अ नाउन, राइट? यू हैव डन दैट ऑलरेडी. सो जैसे कि बॉय, एक बॉय को हम सिंगुलर कहेंगे एंड एक से ज़्यादा बॉय को हम कहेंगे बॉयज़. उसके साथ एस लगा देंगे एंड वो बन जाएगा प्लूरल. लेकिन इन वर्ब्स इट इज़ ऑपोजिट. यस, यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड कि जैसे नाउन जो होता है या फिर सब्जेक्ट जो होता है, अगर हम उसके साथ एस लगा देते हैं वो प्लूरल बन जाता है. लेकिन जो वर्ब है, वर्ब क्या है? जैसे कि वी कैन से गो. गो, लाइक द गो इज अ वर्ब. तो जब इसके साथ आप GOES गोज कर दोगे देन इट बिकम्स सिंगुलर. इट्स नॉट प्लूरल. बिना एस के ये प्लूरल है और विद एस इट्स सिंगुलर. सो इट इज़ ऑपोजिट फ्रॉम नाउन्स. सो जैसे कि यू कैन से, यू कैन जस्ट वॉच हियर. हमने कहा कि बॉयज़ प्लूरल है, लेकिन रन्स जो है, जब रन के साथ हमने एस लगाया, व्हेन वी पुट एस विद द रन, सो ये क्या बन गया? सिंगुलर. एंड विदाउट एस इट इज़ प्लूरल. सो इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो जब भी सब्जेक्ट सिंगुलर होएगा तो आपने सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करनी है. दैट मीन्स यू विल पुट एस विद दैट. सिंगुलर वर्ब किसको कहते हैं? जिसके साथ एस या फिर ES लगाओ. और जब सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल होगा तो आपने प्लूरल वर्ब यूज़ करनी है, दैट इज़ विदाउट एस और ES. जस्ट कीप दिस पॉइंट इन योर माइंड, देन यू विल नेवर डू एनी मिस्टेक. Now comes to singular verbs. Okay, so now I will introduce one by one which are the verbs that you have to keep in mind while doing this subject verbs. Singular verbs कौन सी होती हैं? First of all, singular verbs कहाँ कहाँ पे use होती हैं? Just we are going to do the exercise a little. So few of the sentences based upon singular verbs. So मैंने आपको क्या बताया था अभी कि singular verbs हम कहाँ पे use करते हैं? Singular verbs हम, yes, with singular subject. Very good. So now here he is a singular, so we have to use right here as a singular verb. So now you tell me, how will you use right here as a singular verb? Yes, what I told you now, you will put s with that to make it singular. So you will say writes. He writes well. So he is singular, तो इसको हमने s लगाकर singular बनाया, then it becomes singular. Now she is also singular. Now with singular what we used to use here, has or have. Has use करते हैं singular के साथ कि have, that is has. Okay, so you will write here, she has all the sandwiches. Now he is a singular subject, so what you will use, was or were? Was. So he was driving a car, so you will write here was. She, now what you will use with the singular verb, is MR में से क्या use होता है? That you know, is. Is used with always singular subject. So she is a doctor. So all these verbs are singular verbs. Has is singular, was is singular, is singular, and any main verb by putting s is also singular. So you will use the singular verbs like this with the singular subjects. Now next is plural verbs. Plural verbs. So where you will use plural verbs? With the plural subjects. So see here, there are so many plural subjects like here. I hope it is visible. Yes, now you can see. Yes. So we dash good children. Now we here is a plural subject and we have to use here plural verb. So from all these are is a plural verb. So you will use here are. We are good children. Very good. Now they is also plural. So now you tell me right is plural or writes is plural. Yes. Yes. Very good. So you can say write. They write. Very good. So without S, it is plural. They write well. They dash finish their work. Now they is singular or plural? They is plural. So have is the plural verb. Yes. Girls were or was? Were. Girls plural hai, so we will use plural verb. So all these are the plural verbs. So in this way you will use plural verbs with the plural subjects. I hope it is clear till now. Now we are moving towards the third point. So as you know, I is a singular subject for which we use I for ourselves. हम I किसको कहते हैं? मैं. तो हम एक ही पर्सन की बात करें. I is though we are talking about only one person, but then also it uses plural verb. So you will keep in mind like I के साथ आपने हमेशा plural verb use करनी है. I is a plural subject. So you will count I always in plural subject. I always use plural verb. जैसे कि you will say I drink. You will not say I drinks. Okay, drink. You will say I drink a glass of milk every night. And I am a student. With am is always used with I only, nothing else. Okay, subject with I subject am you will always use. Yeah. So whenever there is an option between is am are. So this is I is always plural. Now comes next you. So now you sometimes we use for one person or for many people. Like you are a good boy. We used to say you are a pretty girl. But then also दो चाहे आप एक person के लिए use कर रहे हो you चाहे आप बहुत सारे के लिए you use कर रहे हो but you will always use plural verb with you. This you have to keep in mind. So plural verb ही use करनी है you के साथ. जैसे कि here the example is you are a pretty girl. That means you are talking to one girl. But then also you are saying are. You are a pretty girl. You are wonderful students. Now you're talking to full class full of students. So many students. Then also you are saying you are. So with the singular with one student or with one person you will use you when you are talking about you. Then you will use plural and with so many then also you will use plural verb. Okay, with you will always use plural verb. Now you speak so many languages. Here speak is a plural verb without s or es. So this is again the plural verb. So you के साथ हमेशा आपने plural verb use करनी है. Now comes a fourth point. So if two or more subjects joined, अगर singular subjects हम एक एक करके join कर दे तो वो क्या बन जाते हैं? Plural बन जाते हैं. For example, जैसे कि हमने पहले एक लड़की की बात की आशु is absent today कि आशु आज absent है. आशु is. She is only one girl. Okay, so we are talking about a single subject. So this is. But when we join two people together like Ashu and Seema, we are talking about two people now. So it becomes plural. The subject becomes plural. So you will use here the plural verb. Okay, Seema, Ashu and Seema are absent today. So in this way, you have to check carefully whether the subject is singular or plural, and according to that only you will use the verb, singular or plural verb. Now comes very important, just you have to notice it very carefully. So spectacles. What are the spectacles? The specs that few of the students used to wear. Right? Pants. Pants जो हम पहनते हैं. Shoes, scissors, trousers, jeans. So have you noticed something similar in all these things? They all are in pair. All like pants have two legs, shoes have two there are two shoes, scissors have also two we can say the edges, and trousers have also two legs, jeans also have two legs, spectacles have two mirrors in that. So all these things are always come in pairs. So in a pair. So it will, though you're talking about only one pant, but you will never say pant, it's pants. The correct word is pants. It's singular is also pants and plural is also pants. Though you're talking about only one pant or so many pants, you will say pants only. For one pant also you will say pants, and for so many pants also you will say pants. And trousers and jeans, singular and plural of this is same, and it will always use plural verb. इट विज ऑलवेज यूज प्लूरल. चाहे आप एक जीन्स की बात कर रहे हो, फिर भी आप इसके साथ प्लूरल वर्ब ही यूज करोगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, योर जीन्स आर डर्टी, कि तुम्हारी जीन्स गंदी है. जो वॉट एवर द पर्सन इज वियरिंग, दैट इज ओनली वन जीन्स, बट देन ऑल्सो वी आर सेइंग योर जीन्स आर डर्टी. So with jeans, trousers, scissors, whatever the things, there are so many things. I know you can name any others also, like tongs are there. So many other things are also there. So that always come in pairs. So you have to check it carefully. So then with that you will always use plural verb. My spectacles are important. Now you have only one spectacle. Then also you will say are here. That you will use plural verb. I hope it is clear. Now comes uncountable nouns. So if you have done nouns in your previous class, you have done countable and uncountable nouns. Countable and uncountable nouns कौन से होते हैं? जैसे कि books. Books you can read. Books you can count. Yeah, read, of course you are going to read. So books you can count. And there are so many things that you cannot count. Sugar you cannot count. You can just measure its weight. And oil you cannot count. You cannot say one oil, two oil, three oil. So there are different nouns that you can count, and there are different nouns that you cannot count. So uncountable nouns we are talking about here, that you cannot count. Uncountable nouns, so with that you will always use singular verb. आप उनको हमेशा अज्यूम करोगे सिंगुलर है, चाहे वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में, देन ऑल्सो इट इज सिंगुलर ऑलवेज. लाइक शुगर. Now we are talking here, we don't know how much sugar it is, so we will always say sugar is dangerous for health. Oil is full of fats. Oil is full of fats. So in this way, the uncountable nouns are always singular. You will always use singular verb with that. Now next is collective nouns. So I hope like you're aware of collective nouns till now. So what are collective nouns? जैसे कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं एक रूम में, तो उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? क्लास. यस, इट्स अ क्लास. सो क्लास क्या है? कलेक्टिव नाउन फॉर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स सिटिंग इन अ रूम. एंड इफ देयर इज बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हैं आपने इकट्ठे करके पकड़े हुए हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज बुके. वेरी गुड, इट्स अ बुके. एंड अगर कीज़ हैं बहुत सारी हमने इकट्ठी की हुई, दैट इज बंच ऑफ कीज़. सो ये जो हमने वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं कि किसी भी चीज़, कोई चीज़ें हम इकट्ठी होगी, या फिर हमने काउज इकट्ठी होकर खड़ी हैं, देन वी विल से हर्ड ऑफ काउज. अ हर्ड ऑफ काउज, दैट मीन्स झुंड काउज का. सो जब चीज़ें या फिर एनिमल्स या फिर पीपल, व्हेन दे कम टुगेदर एंड दे मेक अ ग्रुप, वी गिव अ नेम, अ पर्टिकुलर नेम टू दैट. ओके, तो उन ग्रुप को एक नेम दिया गया, तो उनको कहते हैं कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. देयर इज अ बिग लिस्ट ऑफ कलेक्टिव नाउन्स. So if you want, I will share it with you. So there is so many collective nouns. So though it is a group of things, but one name is given to that, and you will always use singular verb with that. Yes, you will always use singular verb with that. Now let's see with the example. The class is making noise. Now there is only one class. That means there is one room in which so many students are sitting. You will assume class as a singular. Okay, so collective nouns are always singular. Now see here, the herd of cows. Though यहाँ पे हमने cows लिखा हुआ है, लेकिन we are talking about the herd of cows. Herd क्या है? Cows का झुंड, a name that is given to a group of cows. So herd comes under singular verb. We will use the herd of cows is grazing in the field. And the team is playing very well. You know, like in cricket team, there are 11 or 12 players. Yes? Okay, tell me in the comment section how many players are in a cricket team. So here we are talking about a team. Though there are so many members in a team, then also there is one team, that is a one team. So the team is playing very well. So you will use with the collective noun singular verb. So I hope subject verb agreement is clear to you. So in this way you can solve its exercise also. You can do any question related to subject verb agreement. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I will surely reply you. That's all for today. Meet you in the next video.